Hello. I'm back. I'm playing Minecraft, guys. How are you doing? How are we all doing? How are we all doing? I think it's working. I think I'd set up everything right. That's not stream. Yes, it is working. Wow. Amazing. So today, I've been well, I've been playing a lot of Minecraft, okay, guys, and I wanted to talk to you about this a little bit. So I've been playing a lot of Minecraft, and I've not been streaming it, and I'm starting to regret that a little bit because a lot of the stuff that I have been streaming has been quality content, streamable content. So I just want, before we actually dive straight into the adventure map and the command block map, I just want to quickly show off my the realm server that I've been working on. You have to give me a second because I've accidentally full screened Minecraft, and it's a bit of a pain in the arse to sort out sometimes. Oh no, it was fine. Well, I'm doing the command block thing. I might have to full screen it just because it's easier. We'll see. I don't know. Hopefully, this sort of weird, because this is a weird sort of thing for me. I've not done. I don't know what color I like the most. Probably this, by the way. Yeah. Because I've not done much command block stuff in a while. Okay, here we go. I'm actually in game, so let me just switch back to normal gaming. Here we go. So it's a bit not great at the moment, but you'll have to excuse me for that. I'll just make myself a bit smaller. Stick myself up here, maybe. I don't know. I think that's appropriate. So yeah, this is the server that I've been playing on. It's my friend's Vosi. Hello, my friend. How are you doing? How are you doing? Good evening to you too. So this is the friend server that I've been playing on. My desktop audio is actually muted. Just give me 1 second. I'll definitely turn this down because it's going to be obnoxiously loud, me digging loads of grass. Yeah, so this is one of my friend's servers that I've been playing on. It was originally supposed to be designed for our filming group to come relax on. I'm good. You? Yeah, very good. Thank you. Actually, I got a load of work done today, and I'm feeling really positive about it because we're at a really good place with the particular project. So I'm feeling really good about that. It's going night, but it's okay because I'm the only one on the server anyway. Yeah, so not too bad generally. I'm doing okay. So yeah, this is the realm server anyway. It's a bit this is I'm building some map art at the moment, and it is a survival server. There's not been that much. Good, I'm glad to hear. I've been playing Animal Crossing all day. Damn, jealous. I've not actually played any Animal Crossing since last week, shockingly. Sorry, everything's just my game's loading really slow. But this is my little base over here on the server. Let's see if I can actually get in the Yay, I did it. Okay. So this is my little base on this server. It's nothing, it's not much, but it's home, So this is yeah. This is generally what it looks like. It's sort of got this style, and I was building some map art and stuff. This is the first time I'm going to admit that I've ever had full equipment on Minecraft, which is a bit shocking. Elytra, all that crap. I mean, I've not got netherite yet on this, but that's okay. I don't really know what I came on here to do actually. I'll go shear some sheep and then we'll move over to the thing. It's tiring. I need your advice on what to do in it on Animal Crossing. Oh, okay. You're asking the person who's currently not playing Animal Crossing. I mean, terraforming is a big thing that it does take a very long time, and it's very tiring and stuff. And it's I don't know, maybe if that's the kind of thing you want to go down, I'd say maybe do it. And there's obviously a few more videos online about terraforming and whether or not it's worth it to flatten your island first and stuff like that. I would consider not flattening your island straight away. I'd consider doing it in pieces, like doing it in chunks if you want to re-terraform bits. I suppose I think with the problem with Animal Crossing is there is generally only so much you can do before you get before you end up getting in a bit of a rut almost. Create backup and load. Here we go. So we'll just load into this world. Since I'm playing now, we can quickly just throw this up to full screen. Here we go, baby. This is the world at the moment. It's just ignore it for now. Yeah, I suppose you could do some terraforming. Is my best advice, I think. My camera's a bit far away, isn't it? Really. I love villagers, but some don't fit the theme. So I don't know if I should kick someone out, but I'm too attached to them. Yeah, well that's like a classic kind of problem, isn't it, really? Because I feel the same way about some of my villagers. Oh yeah, of course, it's yeah, I've built quite a lot of this but never finished it, so it'll be interesting to see what you guys think of it. Some don't fit the theme, so I don't know if I should kick them out. Man, kicking villagers out is hard one, right? Because like I don't know. I never know whether or not like I'm making like the right call. But I want to go hunting again. Too attached to them. I mean, okay. The biggest thing that people do, which is obviously not great, is that they actually they just buy another Switch so they can have another island. I'm starting to think whether Nintendo should just let you make another island on the same Switch, like under a different account. I don't know. It seems kind of bullshit that you can only have. I don't know. Is there any reason for them to not have that? I don't know. To be honest. It's a bit. I've got it at this time because it's this is the time the map's supposed to be set. What do people want to see for? I want to go hunt again. Maybe you're just gonna have to commit and just get rid of some of them. I think. Just do it. Just commit and get rid of some. For now, I think we're gonna have a quick look around the map first. To see what people think of the actual general design of the map, and then we'll go and start doing command block stuff. So this is based off Nazi zombies, or zombies I think it's now called, the Call of Duty, infamous Call of Duty game. Night or noon? Might be nicer. Oh no, noon is midday. Time set. Night, I suppose. Yeah, I think this is the time it's supposed to be played. So, this is the spawn area. You spawn like right here. Actually, I actually did have here we go. Ignore the thing. It may no longer work. Okay, let's hope it does still work. Because I did actually make a custom. The whole thing about me streaming this was supposed to be because like I've made a load of custom. Yeah, okay. Some of them don't work, as you can see here. So I've made a load of custom textures for the game. I've made a load of custom, all kinds of stuff. Anyway, and this is generally what the map sort of looks like. So I did make one of these in the past, and it does work. But I love this map, though. Yeah. Animal Crossing, man. It's hard. Sorry, so I keep getting distracted by Animal Crossing. I keep thinking about it. So this is supposed to trigger the game, but I don't know if it actually works at the moment. This is the spawn area. So you've got this sort of like... It's supposed to be like a burnt out city, right? And this is the spawn. You've got like a little tank parked in the road. I think there's barrier blocks everywhere as well. Yeah, I put barrier blocks everywhere just so that people couldn't get out. You can sort of see, you can sort of like from here, you can sort of see like some buildings haven't been detailed yet, and you've got like you can see a bit of the river there. Sorry, I'm distracting you. No, it's fine. It's fine. I'm actually interested. I do want to chat. I want to be this quite a chill stream, but I just want to get this bit out of the way first, you know. So you can see sort of like this, supposed to be like this dry riverbed kind of area, I suppose. It's very grey, this map, as you can tell. You got this grey riverbed. This is supposed to be like a buyable door here, I think. And then you can go around the edge of the map here. So this is obviously all not been finished. The river runs around that way as well. This is the end, like this is the edge of the map here. This is another edge there, and then this is supposed to be buyable rubble. Over here, this is like just sort of a city streets bit that I thought would be quite cool, you know, a bit more like close quarters. This is really dark. This hasn't been finished. I like it though. It looks abandoned. I think that was the idea, right? It's supposed to look quite like run down, like a war zone, you know, a past war zone. You know, like classic zombies. Yeah. So then from here you've got like this sort of. This is probably one of my favorite buildings in the whole place because it's the only one that's like really different. Is this church? Let's see if yeah. So you've got this graveyard in the middle, so zombies are going to spawn in the middle here, and then you've got I don't know if this is no. So you're not supposed to be able to go around the back there, and then through here there's another place for the box to spawn, and then this is the edge of the map again. So all in all, it's quite a small map. Like if we fly up and like get top down, this here, this bit here. And then this bit here is like the extents of the map. And then you've got this area here, which is like the final area that you unlock. That's supposed to have like the the really glitchy Pack-a-Punch machine at the moment. So creative. Thank you. Appreciate it. So you've got this Pack-a-Punch machine. Now the texture's all bugged. It is actually a dropper. You're supposed to be able to just drop your items in and it'll hopefully, once the texture's not bugging anymore, will actually look like the Pack-a-Punch machine. Oh, these chests are locked. That's cool. I didn't know you could do that. Well, I must have done at some point, but I forgot. So yeah, generally that's like the extents of the map. The places where the blue lights are places where the box can spawn. So the box randomly moves around and stuff. Well, it did before the map broke. So this has all been actually done by hand as well. None of this is world edit. So I built all this by hand over like a series of a couple of weeks, I think. And then I started with this first area, got the map to like generally work, and then expanded out to the rest of it. A lot of detail still needs doing around the edges to fill it out a little bit more. And I think the buildings maybe need a bit of a change up because I think I like the church because it's so different from everything else. But yeah, there you go. That's like the general map build, which is quite nice. At least I think so anyway. Yeah. So if we just quickly grab this guy. No, it doesn't. Is it? There's a new command, which is /n/data. Get entity at e type equals armor stand. This allows more than one. Count? Is count the thing now, or is that not anymore? I thought you could limit it to like a number of limit maybe 1. Ah, yeah, that works. Okay, here we go. So these guys are supposed to be I think they have a name. See if we can tags 2. I think that might be text box location. Interesting. So maybe this guy's broken. So if we do it about this guy here. Can we do like a distance thing as well? So distance like 5. No entity was found. Really? Distance 10. Don't know how distance works. We could do like I bet maybe there's a command. So the big problem that I have with this was that the command blocks, which are all down here. So this is in world spawn. Whoa. Okay, whatever. Really? Oh, there's a bed there. Okay. Kind of dumb. Down here is like I started like fucking sectioning everything out and making it all, excuse me for swearing, and started to like work it all out. But it oh, time set day. There we go. Make it a bit brighter so we can see. So this here's our so there is actually like a point system that works. So you've got now I think these are broken. Yeah, so at entity, score hit zombie minimum equals 1. It gives you 10 points. So if you hit, so there's let's see what the scoreboard list actually has on it at the moment. It's fine. It can be frustrating. Yeah, they change commands quite a lot. So I should have expected it really. List. So there's points, bouncing Betty trigger, round box location, and open box. So we don't actually have a hit zombie, and then there's a kill zombie scoreboard, which doesn't seem to they probably changed the way that works, so it probably got deleted. So if we do scoreboard objectives and then add hit zombie, and then I wonder if there's Minecraft hit Minecraft. I wonder how I was doing it, because there's definitely a thing in here. Minecraft.kill. So there's killed. Minecraft dot. So it's all broken. B. Let's see. Crafted. I'm trying to think what it could be. Hit. Attack. Maybe attack? No. We'll do this one as kill zombie then, because I know where that command is. So add kill zombie Minecraft dot killed Minecraft zombie. There we go. So kill zombie. This should now work at E score. Oh, this has changed actually. I think scores equal kill zombie. Or does it need to be scores? Here we go. Kill zombie. Is it like that, or is it equals 1? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so then we can just copy this bit here and put this in here. I don't know if people want me to like explain more what I'm doing, or they just like me to like get on with it. It's fine. Damage. Oh, damage. Hi at Kimmy342. Hey Cam. Lovely to see you. Thanks for coming by. Damage. How did you know that? I bet that's right as well. Damage. No. Interesting. It's not. Good, thanks. How are you? People just chatting in chat. We love to see it. Chat in chat. People talk to each other. Apologies. I have my what I should do, I'm gonna have open actually my cheats menu for this. And I'll show you guys like my sort of process. Oh, not that. Whoa. Whoopsin. I hope that didn't just DDoS me. Minecraft command. So what I normally do when I'm doing this, I actually have no, here we go. I've got the Minecraft Wikipedia open in the background while I while I do stuff. So if we look up, if we find in page scoreboard, here we go, and follow this, so we can. List targets. So what would it be? So it's add objective criterion. So criterion should be the thing that we like are looking at now. Is it? Objective criteria. Yeah, wait, hang on. Syntax. Okay. So there should be a way to display. Ooh. They've changed quite a lot, so like I apologize if I'm like looking for quite a while. Bit array, got float, double, blah 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 blah. There's data tags. Louis M the chef. Hey baby. Hola. Hola indeed. I'm just looking through text at the moment. And then if I can't find out how to do something, I normally just look it up separately. There might have been a sneaky way that I was doing it, but I don't know. List of criterion. Is this all the removed ones? Play Doughcraft. No. I'm glad. Take your time. My day's been stressful, but it's fine now. Stressful playing Animal Crossing. Deciding whether or not to delete your world is a hard, hard choice, everyone. It actually is, to be honest. Because there's a certain element of like, you've put so much stuff. So much time into it as well. Data tags. Targeting. Damaging entities and getting a score. Interesting. I don't know if it'll be on here. Oh, under the mobs or bosses. What was it? What was that thing under again? I can't remember now. Oh, why is this full screen again? Oh, I put it in full screen, didn't I? Whoopsie. What is this? Oh, this is this doesn't work anymore because they've changed the way that this works. I don't think you need this anymore. I think count 1. Then you can just do MBT, right? Like, but this MBT data is wrong. There's a lot of crazy command blocks here that I've not even gone over. I'm just trying to fix the first command block. Scoreboard objectives add hit zombie criteria. It's not. I ended my world with that second thought. You're Animal Crossing. Well, you're a psychopath, Cameron. Let's be honest. Like, oh my god. Scoreboard criteria. Let's see. Let's see if it's on here potentially, because it might be. This will be modified by players. Criteria is the type of objective. Be one of the following: achievement, one of the inbuilt achievements, one of the inbuilt statistics. Here we go. It might be stats. Stats dot mob damage, maybe. Mob killed you. Damage dealt. General dot damage dealt. There we go. I think that's what I was doing. Stats. Hit zombie S. Damage. How the hell do you type this in now? Oh god, they've changed it so much. Stat dot damage dealt. Why is that not stat? Maybe this is out of date already. Damn. Statistics in Minecraft. So this is... See if we go back to scoreboard, there might actually be I was close. Yeah, I don't know. Like, why would you wanna delete your world so quickly? Like, give me a good reason why I should like why I would want to delete my world so quick, right? Both names was admitted in Minecraft, so places increase automatically when they perform action relevant statistic names. The statistic name for custom is used to specify action. Custom statistic: block mined, item broken, item crafted, item used, item picked up and dropped, and entity killed. List of custom statistic names: animals bred, cleaned. Damage dealt. Minecraft.damage dealt. Wow. Has dealt intense. It only includes melee attacks. Interesting. Damage dealt. I wonder if only includes melee. That's interesting. That's like the most interesting bit. I mean, the thing is, when I designed it originally, it was mostly melee, so I've not got a problem though. Damage Minecraft dot damage. Really? I mean, I got to the end, terraformed a bit, got bored, and thought, fuck it. I mean, yeah, fair enough, but like, I don't know. Do you not care? Did you not think, oh, damn, it'd be a shame if. They've changed this quite a lot. How have they changed it though? This is really weird. This is really weird. How can I not do this? Custom statistics, statistic name, namespace ID, description. Damage dealt. It should be damage dealt. Like, but it says unknown. D. Does this just show everything with D in it? Yeah. Wait, there it is. Minecraft.custom. As if. Wow, there we go. Hit zombie. Done. So then this would be updated to the new one, which is change that to hit zombie. So interesting how you have to put the custom thing in there as well. I might not actually have to change too much about this to get it to work again, which would be really cool. Summon zombie on me and give him. I wonder if I can remember how to do. Nah, plus it was nice going into it again. Giving Tom the fossils instead of blathers, just a fresh start, was kind of nice. Yeah, I suppose. I suppose in some ways that it is nice just to, like, you know, do hard reset and just start again. You know, it makes it more interesting, I suppose. No AI. That didn't work. No AI. So this should automatically update. Wait, is it worked? Previous output points 10. Scoreboard players add at entities score hit zombie 1 points 10, and then this should. So this is unconditional, then this is conditional. Should set your hit zombie score back to 0. So it should be when I hit this guy, right? Scoreboard. Objective, set display, sidebar. Hit zombie. 27. 36. Wow. Nice. 203. That's so weird how it goes up. I wonder how it decides how much it goes up by. I wonder if it's based on the damage you dealt. Yeah, it must be based on the damage you deal, right? So equals 1. Oh, this needs to be like scores hit zombie. Is it a more than symbol? Does that just work? More than 1. Oh, back to the wiki page we go, baby. So we've worked that out, I think. So we might be able to do a bit more with that if we need to. Scoreboard. What else is the scoreboard? Scoreboard players set. There's one here. To manage the visibility of death messages. Oh, interesting. So the teams thing is cool. The ability to add teams with scoreboards was like one of the first things I messed around with, and it's really interesting actually. To delete reset. To test whether a score falls in. So we probably will need to do this test one a couple of times, because this will determine whether or not we can buy certain doors in the game. Is that an execute command I'm running? I can't remember. It's add at E. I need to look up the player selectors. Really, I think. Where is it? Selector, please. Target selectors. Here we go. Oh, here we go. It's in here. Nice. Increase the number of nearest players targeted at P count equal. Oh, count or limits. So it's limit now is what it is. So we'll limit 1. When C is negative, count equals, so limit equals minus, so target the last first away. That's cool. That's really interesting actually. It might be useful. Scores, here we go. Scores objective and then values. Scores, your score equals, so more than is what we need. If anyone knows anything in chat, just throw it in there. I don't want this to be like boring Stream 9000, but this is the kind of thing that I like used to do quite a lot. I used to be like really interested in the way the scoreboard worked and stuff, and I think it's a nice sort of cute time to like try and fix that back again, you know? And if you know anyone that would like this, oh, NBT. The NBT is written command definition. Do not have a compound TIG. Oh my god. Okay. Scores. So your score equals 10. Support ranges. So your score. So that's with a score of 5 or greater. So here we go. So that and then 2 ellipses. Right. So it's ellipses now. How weird. Is that a Java thing? Does anyone know? Points 10. Oh yeah, look, you can see it's actually going up in there, but it's this conditional. No entity was found. Hit zombie equals more than 1. Hit zombie 0. Nice. Okay, right. So we need kill zombie, then the 2 ellipses, and then that, and then 2 ellipses, and then we should be able to, if we set points on the sidebar, this should just work now. The way it summon zombie, not Zoglin. Yeah, there we go. So you can see on the sidebar now, just below me, every time I hit the zombie, it adds 10 points to my total. There we go. And then I think it added 60 at the end there. So it's a point / scoreboard. Players at all set at all points 0. Hey, you did it. Hell yeah, I did it. I know what I'm doing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I'm just trying to check to make sure this is actually working. 10, 20, 30, 60, 90, 109. Ooh, interesting. That didn't work. Scoreboard. Display. Sidebar. So there's always something that's not working. That's the thing. Kill zombie. There we go. So it has actually noticed, but it doesn't want to add 60 points. So maybe I have to actually refresh these. There we go. Yeah. So for some reason I need to refresh those commands. So if we set points back to the sidebar. Yeah, okay. It works. Good. Okay, that's the main that's the main part of the thing actually working, which is big because I like when I came on and I saw that it was broken, I was just like, nope, I'm not doing that anymore. It's a good thing I labeled all this. Time. Set day. So you can see. So weapon logic, this says. Just in case you can't read that on stream. Oh no, I think you can read that on stream. Use lev gun. Use lev gun mini equals 1. Oh, of course. Fishing rod, right? Is not, the thing's not working because I think the parsing has changed on everything. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Generic attack damage. Name generic attack damage 5. Oh, interesting. I wonder what's wrong here then. That's the question. Wooden sword, and then this is what? My stone sword. Okay. Oh yeah, of course. This is the these are some randomizers I made actually that probably don't work anymore. Yeah, this is a randomizer. This is a really interesting randomizer that gives you different items depending on where the armor stand lands or something. I can't move this later. This says. at all open box 0. Oh man, what is this? Right. Right, where do we fucking start with this? So this is quite complicated. This here is like my improved random box system that like is obviously broken now. I don't know what this is. Fill. These are fill clocks. Test for armor stand box location. Oh my god. So yeah, this is all the box logic. Fill with trapped chest. Really? Oh, this is where it spawns. So these are the 6 locations where it can spawn. These are probably broken. Let's be honest. Fill it with the chests, which trigger blocks to be placed here, and then that triggers the random box. Right? Okay. So I know what that is now. This thing of dispensers. If you don't know this, so dispensers can actually place command blocks that are put inside them. Oh yeah, of course. Can actually place command blocks that are inside them. People don't know this. And they... Wait, what? They used to? I swear they used to. Maybe they don't anymore. Ooh. That's not cool. Because I'm pretty sure that's how that worked. Was that I would... Unless it's just like choosing a random one. Like... Okay, so this is the begin carnage sign, but it's broken, right? Block data 1, text 2. Oh, this has got a click event on it. I think I just used a text passing thing to do that because I couldn't be arsed like messing around with like doing it myself. Set block redstone torch. What's this? Oh, so this refreshes everything. So that sets that summons 1 armor stand for Dempsey. That summons 1 for Dempsey. That summons 1 for Dempsey. That gives repair kits. Wait, there's only 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Interesting. I suppose there's always going to be 1, so that's for like the additional players maybe, but I suppose maybe it needs to be 1 for everyone. And this is the reset. Round 0.0. First room. Okay, so these are each of the these are for each of the test for block. Minecraft wooden door. What's wrong with this? So that command's changed then. I wonder if it's been replaced by something else. Probably something like block data maybe. If we check right at the bottom here. The remove block test for... No, interesting. It's not even on there. Test for block. Test for block, apparently. Oh, is this the Java column? Java edition? Really? It's been removed? Why? Test for block? Why did they take this out? Test for block. Did maybe they changed it where they replaced it with something else? Added, removed in favor of execute if. Really? Okay, that's interesting. So this would, instead of this would be, let's see, execute if block at the coordinates blah 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 blah. Let's say 0, 0, 0 is Minecraft wooden door. Will it be oak door? Run. So then you'd run the command, which is So I could actually get this in even more, like even less commands. So execute if, so if it tests for that, then it wants to set the block to air, and then set the block above to the door, and add 20 points. Oh, because it's repairing. You're repairing the barriers, right? Okay, I get it. Okay, so how the hell would we redo this? So we'd want to do. So that's the location. So we want to do scoreboard. Execute. No, not scoreboard. It wants to be so it means execute if block at those coordinates. Minecraft. It's not wooden door anymore because that's actually been replaced for oak door. And then we can run the one above, which would be set the block to air. Set block, Minecraft air. And then this one can go, and then this one can come down, which is to add the points, add the 20 points. Oh no, that adds it, and then the top one adds the points. Minecraft oak door. I wonder if oak door 3 is right. I wonder if this even works. Oak door 3. Destroy, keep, replace. Because the idea was that it would set just the top of the door. So you'd get like, you'd right click and then it would place, because the bottom bit is like a false, it's orange terracotta. Like if we look here, so the idea is, let me try and give them a quick explanation. So this is what's placed around the map. This block is what's placed around the map, and it's orange terracotta. And then, oh, what the hell is it called? What was I using? Was it actually a door? Was it an oak door? Oak door. Yeah, look, here we go. So this is, the texture's messed up, but it's like it's supposed to be a little hammer. When you right click, it's supposed to place it as a don't know why it's placing it upside down. That's interesting. It's supposed to set the bottom bit. It's supposed to set it to a door. It's the idea. And now, I don't ask me why it all is all broken now. But it might be okay with it being a full door. It might be alright. Add the player X, Y, Z. That's different, so that should be distance equals 2, I suppose. And then count 1 at player at those between the distance of 2 of those blocks, 20 points. Right? Yeah, M2 points 20. Oh, unconditional, that should be conditional, and then that should be conditional as well. And then we've got a working thing. So that's always doing that. So if, so oak door. Oh, hang on, we've got a little cheat pad here. So if I go up here, I think it's this one. Or is it this one that I set it up to be? There does seem to be some weirdness when I'm killing this one. And I think this is the right coordinates. 71, yeah. Oh my god, look at the fence. They've changed it so that... Okay, that's horrible. Who did this? Emo Yang, please. Who did this? Oh, is it this one over here, maybe? Oh, it might be this one. If I, Let's see. I wonder if the top half of a door has a different half upper. Interesting. Okay, we might be able to do something with that then. Half upper. In the NBT, NBT command data. Half. Oak door. Can we just throw in some? Set block. Can you set a block with NBT data? That's an interesting question. I don't know the answer to. Tile name, tile data. Ooh, tile name block, tile data.int. Specifies the block data for the new block. Values that are valid for specified revert to 0 if not specified. Must be in 32-bit integer between that. Tile data. Int. Interesting. Int. Tile data int. So it should be in the brackets, right? So it wouldn't be destroyed. It'd be that and then brackets and then half upper. So slash set block, and then look at this one. So it's that Minecraft acacia door half upper. Maybe does this need to be a number potentially? 3. No, that's wrong. Let's see if we put a door down next to this. What does it say? Half upper. Half upper. Maybe this has to be in like this. Half. Sometimes it's like this, and I'm not sure. Oh, whoops! I keep accidentally pressing the wrong key. Do and do. I did that really cursed. I don't know why. My TV just turned off. Doesn't seem right because it'd tell me if it was right. What does everyone think? What does everyone reckon? Is there a way to do it? Block entities. No. Name. Separated by a colon. Okay, so name 1 upper half. Look at this. Oh, hang on a second. Block arguments look like that. Oh, ID in Java edition. Oh, maybe it needs to be in square brackets then. For I wonder why. What the difference is. Power 15. So it might be. So it might be instead of curly brackets, it might be that we need to go do, then go half upper. No. I think that was a good attempt though. What is it? It's definitely like that. Okay. What we're gonna assume next? We're doing a bit of problem solving today, guys. If you're just joining and you've not seen this before, I'm doing some command block stuff. block. Single block arguments are this. Stone, Minecraft redstone wire, power 15, north, up. North equals up, south equals side. Burn time 200. Block states. Here we go. So it's block states. Doesn't exist. Should we see what other block states there are in the game? This is how. Oh god. Doors. Here we go. Half, lower, default value lower, and upper. I don't know which part of the door it is. Half lower, half upper. Half equals upper, so it wouldn't be that. It would be half equals upper, right? No. I was very close, but I feel like I'm still far away, right? There's some stuff there. Let's close that. Doesn't exist. Power Tuesday. Power 15. Like, can we do like set block? The one we're looking at. Redstone wire. Powered equals 15. Or it's just power. It doesn't like that for some reason. I wonder why. Oh, hang on a second. I've just noticed something. So this is actually next to that. That is actually next to it. So if we do that and then that. Oh my god. Gamers. Look at that. We've worked it out. Can we get a poggers? No, we're not allowed, are we? It's bad. Okay, we've worked it out. We know what it is now. So it's not this. I was very close. It's actually next to it. And then half equals. There we go. And it actually, like, the command actually autofills. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. So 1771 minus 77. Oh, not that one, I suppose. 17. 71, 77. Oh, it is. Yeah, it's this one here. So if we right click. Ah, did you see that? That was cool. So it's not added the points on though, which is interesting. It's not added the points when we do it. Oh, that's really cool actually. Oh my god, does it bleep out poggers? Wow. That's weird. Sorry, Twitch. Am I gonna get banned now? Is that what happens? We'll do instead we'll do limit equals 1. Oh, whoops. Distance equals 2. The distance thing doesn't seem to work for me. Distance to entity. Oh, so I need to be a specific distance away. Maximum number of entities to return, just 1. What else is there? Entities between. Scores. Tag with team with certain rotation. Nah, we'll leave it as that, I think. Points 20. Okay, so if we go back, boop. So this should only activate. Nice. Did you see that? So if you check my points on the side, yeah, it does bleep it out, Cam. You might get banned. So every time I place my block down now, you can see that it on the sidebar, it gives me 20 points every time I do it. That's really cool. So the thing is, I'd need to do that for every block that's in this location. But now we know the command. it's a lot easier for me to do that. So we can change the direction the thing is as well using the same commands. So like facing, whatever the additional commands are. So for example, we can take this now. If we just copy this, we can take this command, this bit of the command. Don't know why it's doing me like this. We can take this bit of the command here. We can jump over to the next one. So this one's changing too, because we don't have test for block in the game anymore. It's execute works to detect blocks in certain locations. So for example, for this one, so I'll run through it now that I understand it. So we've got execute, execute, oh my god, if block at these coordinates. So Wonder Door isn't in the game anymore, so it's actually Oak Door. Oak Door. And then we run the command set block. I think 71, right? Set block. Wait, what do we run? Set block 70 Minecraft Air. Oh yeah, we're killing the door. So set the block at the same location to instantly kill the door that we place down. Set block that. And then we set it to air. I don't think we need to put Minecraft air. Yeah, we'll set it. So we'll set it Minecraft air. So once that's done, conditionally it will activate this next command, which is sets the block at one above. Yeah, which is 71 to the door with the data that tells us that we just want the upper half of the door to go there. If you see what I mean. See what I mean? Is anyone confused? Is everyone with me? Does everyone know what's going on? Because I don't. Tell me, help me. What is going on? And then we can add a person closest to that point with a limit of 20 points. Because normally there will only be one person playing on this anyway, and I'm sure people don't mind if like 20 points get nicked from them by accident by the game. So that's wrong. So it's now limit equals 1. So and then we set points 20. Does anyone know what's going on? Does anyone know what's going on? I'm making my Nazi zombies map again in Minecraft. Cameron. For fucking hell. Connor. I'm making my Nazi zombies map again. Just a quick show. I built this ages ago in not in survival, in creative. And I'm recommanding it so that it works better, right? You see? Oh, here's the power. Cool. Yeah, I'm rejigging it so that it actually works, because it didn't before. So there you go. All the commands broke, because the last time I played it was 1.3, I think. 1.13. Right, so that works. So we need to just do the same thing for the rest of these. 71. Yeah, so 72. So instead of this, we need to execute if block at that location is Minecraft Oak Door, and we can run set block at the same place, Minecraft Air, right? Boop, and then Minecraft Aya. Put it in Aya. And then we can set that to the one block above. We can set it to the door. So this is actually the changes that they've added to the game. The biggest one that I really like is the addition of the execute parsing thing, where there's multiple commands you can now execute before execute, you know, so you can actually like say if this thing, if that thing, if this thing. So if all of these things are true, then execute this one particular command, which makes it really easy to do some of this stuff probably that I've not even realized. So there you go. So I don't think I need the top one anymore because that sets the block to the door, which we've now got. Yeah, so sets the block to the door. So we just want the 20 points thing. So we just, if we boop this chain command block down there and put it to conditional, and then set this to limit 1 points 20, done, boop, and then we've got one more. It's quite easy. Just executes if block. So we can actually test for multiple blocks as well, which is very interesting. I'm yet to try that though, so it'd be interesting to see how that works. Oak door run. Set block 870 minus 55. 9. I want to type the whole thing out because I'm concerned that Minecraft's going to try and cook me again. I really don't want it to. So is that, yeah, still got it. Okay, nice. Get rid of that, and then we can just get rid of all the crap in my inventory. Then take this, and then limit this to 1. Limit 1. Nice. Awesome. Awesome sauce. So we can actually, if we get our oak door again, we could go around and test now just to make sure that what we've just done actually works. So, yep, that one sets that. Awesome. That's a good start. Oh, that one sets that, but the wrong angle. So we need to do the angles as well, the way they're facing, right? So that one's wrong, but that's okay. Ooh, interesting. That one didn't work. I wonder if this has changed. Set block. 571.72. Okay, interesting. So that one works, and then this is the last one, which we did first. Yeah. So these all work apart from. This one actually works right as well. This one doesn't work because it's the wrong way, and this one does work because it's the right way. Awesome. This one doesn't work at all. Let's go back. I just want to get like I think making like little progress is like a good way to go, right? I think it gave me points for everything there as well. I could check back the stream. Don't lie, Cam. You know what's going on. You know what's going on here. So what did I say the thing was that I copied? What was it? 571.72. 13. 571.72. 571.72. Execute if block Minecraft. Oh, there's something wrong with the parsing here. Minecraft air. Oh, maybe that was it. Maybe I accidentally put like an extra space when I didn't need to, and it doesn't like it. Oh yeah, okay, it does. So if I wanted to place this down right, how would it be? So if I look at this door, so it'd be facing east. Okay, so that one's facing east, and this one would be facing west. Yeah, so facing west and facing east. The only other two things I need to change. So that one we just did. Is this one here? Yes. And then facing east? I actually forgot. Oh man, I didn't check the fucking thing either. Oh, whatever. Right, we'll just quickly test this one while we're here. Yeah, nice. That works perfectly. And then the last one is this one here, which needs to be west, which is at... that's the way I quickly get thingy. I don't know if you can actually just... if you're looking at a block now, can you just go tab, tab, tab? No, you can't. So I normally do... So to get the things really quickly, I just do set block and then get that number, copy it, well, cut it, and then just like type it back into chat. Is this interesting, anyone? Can I get like some reinforcement? Can I get some positive feedback that this is like actually interesting and interesting content to watch? Because I'm concerned it's not. Also, let's quickly just like give myself an elytra. Like, come on now. Oh, that's mouth hand. There we go. Although we can fly. It's a shame you can't, it doesn't, like, you can't overwrite it somehow. Maybe you can. I'll find out a way. Right, what blocks was those? 1370 minus 72. 13. Here we go, this one here. So this needs to be facing west. The other one's east, right? Yeah, so these should all work perfectly now. Just double checking chat. No one said anything. That's fine. Do you know what? Even if you guys don't like it, guess what? I enjoy it. So there we go. Look at that. Easy peasy. And we get 20 points. This one, do we get 20 points? Yes, we do. Apologies for the broken textures, everyone. I will fix them. Nice. That works. Awesome. Okay. So that's another command fixed of what I had so far. Okay. So those are all fixed. Good. Okay, and then this is my so this is my clearing rubble. So this here was the command that gave me this sign, but this doesn't work anymore. Does it? Commands.block data.success. Previous output. Interesting. Should we try it again? Does it set the block above it? Yeah, so it sets the one just above it to that. So we'll see if this works. Fix them. Fix them. Fix the commands. Where is the problem, does it say? Right at the end, I bet. Something fucked up about the whole thing. I can't run along here for some reason. Right. Here. Right at the end. How weird. Maybe you don't need quite as much bracketage anymore. That's really annoying because these were trigger commands, weren't they? Click event. Yeah, these were all click event things, so they were really like, look how like horribly complicated the text is on that. Which is why I didn't really want to do it. Can place on Minecraft blue glazed terracotta, Minecraft white glazed terracotta, orange glazed terracotta, display name. I wonder why I put it as multiple different colours of terracotta. Oh, probably so I could have like different doodahs, right? Different types of it. So, tell you what, we'll get rid of all of this, just so we can see where we're at, right? Because I think that makes sense. So Minecraft oak door. Oh, hang on. Did I just see that it was that it wasn't happy with it being? For some reason, I can't click back. Okay, there we go. Count 10, but can we do that? Yes. Does that work? Yes. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay, so these commands maybe do work. Okay, nice. Wow, that saves like a load of time. So they've changed it so that the data tag needs to be right next to the thing now. I don't know why that is. So this might be right as well. I'm glad I didn't get rid of this. See, slash block data. Oh. I saw this command before. I don't know what it was though. So there must be a new version of this command that they've updated it to. Block data. So it was removed. Superseded by /data. So we might actually be able to do the same command if we copy all this and then just replace it. So bloop. /data. Modify is it gonna allow me to type? Oh, my is that my limit? I think it might be. So we'll change it in here instead, because then at least we can actually do the whole command. So data modify block, which is just above to that. So then we press this button. What does it say? Oh, it still doesn't like this whole thing. I want to fix my sign. Like I want to get like a start of all the signs so that I can just copy the command and then use that over and over again, because at least then I know. So if we find /data in the web page really quickly, and for anyone who's watching who thinks like, oh well, this dude's just like looking up everything. Well, this isn't about me like looking up stuff. You know, I'm actually trying to make something here, which just makes more sense if I can, you know, just easily look stuff up. Like I'm not gonna just pretend that I know everything, because I definitely don't. I've not played this. I've not done all these commands in like months and months, you know. So if you don't like it, you don't like it. So you can modify attribute. Oh, interesting. So look at this here. We want blocks. So items. So item 0 ID set value Minecraft diamond block. Change the first item in a chest located at item 0. Keeping all NBT data. So they've changed it so you don't need to put all the things in, maybe. Can write to the storage. So you can actually like change. Data merge. The obtain value after rounding down, so it actually stores. So you can actually store stuff in command blocks now, which is really interesting. As far as I can understand, is you can store stuff in a command block and then use that number to set certain things, which is very interesting. It means you could do a lot of cool stuff with that, but I can't think of anything off the top of my head that you could do with it right now. But this is that's a big change that people were complaining about. It's like being the ability to like get data from people. Syntax explains various ways. Squish tree. Maximized. Oh, there we go. Append from storage. Oh my god, that's madness. Let's just look up sign. I wonder if it's in here. I wonder if the interesting boy is in here. It allows the player to make a sign glow. When the sign is glowing, text blends is not affected by lighting. Using a regular effect removes the glowing effect. So that's part of the new update, right? That's cool. Signs can be created with JSON text and allows complex formatting, cover and click events, localized translation, redstone repeater. Otherwise, translation must be found in language files. And the incorporation of scoreboard values into text. Oh my god, that's really cool. That's really interesting. The ability to be able to change your score into like a physical text box on a wall. That's cool. That's really interesting. So data. So the way they've got this text 2, text line 2, color blue. I wonder why they've put text 2. Signs can post a success count of JSON, text, hover, and click events and scoreboard objectives. These objectives can be specified using running execute store command or by modifying the signs empty to data merge block command. Okay. Maybe we should just try and do this ourselves, maybe, and like see how far we get with setting this. So we're going to try this one, obviously, above. We've got this one here as like our test one. What we should do, we should get rid of all of this. Minecraft, set block, Minecraft. Wait, hang on. So the click event is, I want to keep that because I think that's probably right already. +1, click event action. Maybe this doesn't, maybe this isn't, maybe it's not quite the same. What's it allowing me to type in here? What is this for? Target path. Sounds like stems. Wagwan. Wagwan sounds like stems. King shit. Text. Nope. Text. Does this need to be in boys? Text. Hello. Oh, hang on. Hold up. Hello world. Didn't work. Good start. Text 2. That needs to be in quotation. That not quotations. So that needs to be in quotations. Text line 2, color blue. So text 2 all needs to be one word. Wonder why. I wonder what the what the dealio is with that. Nice to see you anyway, Dylan. So text 2, and then we need another set of curly brackets. This needs to be like this, question mark. Like that. Oh, okay. Still didn't work. Still building my house. You're building your house in on the server, right? On the thingy server. I wonder if this command is out of date, because if we just copy it straight and then put it in here, maybe we'll find out. Color blue. So there's actually some interesting stuff there. Block. So this is the one we're looking at. We'll just take that. And then we're going to throw it in here. I'm going to throw this boy in there. Just quickly. No, this command's out of date, man. Ugh. 1.16 sign text generator. Here we go. This will be easier. So sign type, oak sign. So we want it to say clear debris. The color, we want it to be red. Oh, 1.16 plus can have any color. Really? Wow. Really? I wonder if we can have a different type of sign. Dark oak. Wow, that's cool. So we can actually choose any color we want. Nice. Clear debris, 1,500 points. Maybe that needs a caps. We'll change that to maybe a darker color. Not that dark though, it's too dark. So they are slightly different. There we go. Sign name. Commands, so set block. What does it want to be? Set block, redstone block. So this is the command it wants to run when oh my god, you can do like a World at War theme for the map, like COD themed. Yes, Dylan, I am. Let me just quickly, while you're generate the command. Here we go. I wonder if data merge is the only way to make it change. So if we go in here. Ha. Okay, yeah, it does work. So let me just quickly, just for anyone new joining just now, not seen yet. This is the custom zombies map that I made a long time ago. I'm currently in the process of redoing the map, all the commands and stuff. So far, we've managed to fix the. This is supposed to be a repair hammer. The texture's broken, but that's okay. We can fix that in a bit. Yeah, so the barriers work. You can if you replace the barriers. There you go. It does what it says on the tin. There's supposed to be some rubble here, actually. I think it's directly below here. Oh, yeah, here we go. So this is what it actually looks like. And if we... Is this clone? Yeah, so if we press this button... If we press that button... Yeah, so, so it actually copies this to here. Now, this sign doesn't work anymore. But what we can do is where is the oh, is that tried to activate the command? Oh, it has. Look, so because we pressed that, all the commands like, and the score works now too as well. Yes, the score does work now as well. Yeah. Yeah, so this is supposed to... Oh my god. This is supposed to make the rubble disappear, basically. Which is what I've been working on. So if I right click this... Yeah, so if I right click that, it does set the block there, but then these are wrong, so that doesn't matter. Anyway, this works, which is the main point that I was trying to get. Across. So we'll get rid of this one. It was a lot easier to use that sign generator. Now that I've got one, I might be able to just like, it actually looks like they've simplified it quite a lot. Click event, action, run, command, value, set block, and then, yeah, so, whatever. It is what it is. It is what it is, baby. So we'll put this down here. So that's a good start. So that part works. So this works. So right clicking the sign actually does work. So if we take this sign and like put it up there, it should there we go. So when we press the clone button to clone this to here, we should have the new sign. And then ideally what it needs to do, it needs to test for the nearest player to that point who's triggered the thing. Oh, what happens if it's not? Points less than. Oh, here we go. Yeah. So test limit points. Scoreboard players. Test is no longer the command. Right, what is it now? Scoreboard players. We can get instead get at P closest to the thing points. Evil Wolfers has 750 points. Okay, so instead of that we get that limit of one player points less than that. Oh, this is just getting though. I wonder if hang on. What's the next command? Tell Raw the player closest you don't have enough points. Tell them they don't have enough points. Fuck. I don't like how that's working. Scoreboard players. And then that should get rid of, yeah, so that sets that block back to air again if this is successful. So scoreboard, maybe we need to execute if at player and then limit equals 1. Wait, should it be in curly brackets? No. Execute if score at P limit equals 1 points. Ooh, here we go. More than or equal to is that more than? So the goes towards the biggest number. Less than or equal to 1499. Run. Round. Oh, you can test it between scores as well. Ooh, that's cool. So if the score is that, less than that, but also less than whatever. What can we say? We want to, if that is the case, we need to run tell. Okay, here we go. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy this command here. So this command is changing. So this one here is actually changing to, ooh, I want that bit still though. I need the XYZ. So I'll leave that on the end and then just copy it into the data later. So if we paste that in, it doesn't like it because it's not finished. We'll put it in here. There we go. So more than or equal to, wait, more than, or does it need to be this way? Less than or equal to. We need to run this command. Oh, hang on. It might be better to run this command because this is all in one command block then. So we don't have to mess around with like too many command blocks. So run set block. Source objective. Execute if score at player blah 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 blah. Run set block. Why does that not work? Why is it not like that? Maybe, oh, there's something I'm missing here. Oh, maybe that's a comparing thing. Maybe I don't need the equals sign. Maybe it's something different because I know it's definitely changed. What is this? So this is execute. This is execute, baby. It is nearly 9 o'clock. That means it's some. Stay hydrated, gamers. Checks whether one or more entities exist. That's quite cool. Shake that juice. Nice bit of ASMR, right? I don't know, maybe. Oh, here we go. I was on it, I just didn't realise. So we've got this. Score holder. A single score holder to compare against. So it should be if score, the target objective, equals source object source. Then we need to do run, right? Or does it want execute? I don't know. Carrying one score against a matches range. Matches. Int range. Oh, less than or equal to 0. Oh, so we could do this instead. So we could say if it matches less than 1,499. So score target objective matches the range. So it would be execute if score at the player. So instead of that, it would be matches less than 1,499. Then we run. Oh, too many blocks. Run. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. We've got it now. I don't know why the other one doesn't work. Set block. I don't know what it wants me to set it to. This one here. Minecraft. Air. And then we want to tell that player as well. I wonder if you can. You can't do more than one command, can you? That's annoying. So we can get rid of that one. So that immediately. So if I don't have enough points, that immediately sets that back to being air again in a single tick. Stop. Oh, shaking my juice. I don't apologize. Limit equals 1. You don't have enough points. Right. Now. Oh my god, look, guys, it works. So if you watch, so when I right click the sign, because I don't have I have less than that amount of points, it triggers that command block and it tells me in the chat you don't have enough points. So I can't open the door. Now the next one is going to be very similar. So instead of that, I'm actually going to... Is this right at the top? Place our master at all. Disappear. Particle fireworks spark. Minecraft. So it's not fireworks spark, it's just spark now? Or is it just called fireworks? Can't remember. Firework, there you go. Is what it's called. Set block air, so that sets that block to air. So what we want actually is we want to instead in this one we probably want to say execute if score at the player closest to there, limit of 1. I always want to make sure I'm specifying limit of 1. And the reason for that is because this is intended to be multiplayer. And I'm doing this all on the I have to test it in single player, but I'm doing it under the pretense that, like, you know, There'll be some scenarios where it doesn't work or whatever, but I'm trying my best. I wonder if you can. I could have someone get a score based on if they've like triggered a sign, but that seems silly. I don't know. Don't listen to me. At player limit 1, points. Then it'd be matches. 1,500, and then ... which means 1,500 plus. Yeah. Then we run the command above, which is remove that player, remove 1,500 points from that player, and then do all the stuff that it says above, right? Yeah, so run this command. So we run scoreboard, players, remove at player that's closest to that limit of 1. Limit equals 1, points 1,500. Okay, and then on success, so we can get rid of this one. On success, we want to set this block back to air, just because it makes it easier for the reset of the game, I think. Yeah, so we'll do select block air, and then the next one we want to clone that area to that area. And then what's this? That's the set block air, so we can get rid of that. And then particle fireworks, and then what's this top one is the sound. So that's basically everything there, and that's all done. This should work, I think. So that's just gonna be conditional. And then doop. Oh no, not that way. This way. Then that should be conditional. So okay. So that works fine because that's like its own thing. So if we come up here, we can go over to our sign now, our clear debris sign, and when we right click it, it should tell us that we don't have enough points. Yeah, okay, that works, great. So we can just spam click that if we need to. Great, we don't have enough points. So if I scoreboard players, add evil wafflers, points, 750 should get me, right? Yeah, nice. When I right click this, how cool was that? How cool was that, right? It works exactly as I expected it to, actually, as well. And I have custom sounds installed as well, so I can just quickly reload that using that block there, which is what that block's there for. So when I right click the sign, we'll do it again. So if I have myself 1,500 points, and I turn this off, we can, and then it just gets rid of that, and then there we go. Yeah, that was actually super cool. Clap, there we go. That's another thing actually fixed now. Holy crap! Wow, we've made a lot of progress today, actually. Wowee, wowee. Okay, we'll just reload that back into its saved state. Nice. Okay, so that's one done. Okay, so what's fixed now? So this here is fixed. So our first room doors are fixed. They just need the texture fixing. The clearing debris actually works, and it has the sound effects built in, which is this here I think is custom loaded into the resource pack, because this does need a resource pack, because I do intend on like adding quite a few like different texture updates and stuff to help sell the game, you know. So these are all broke. Set block, redstone block. So I wonder what these do. Test points. Oh, and then these give the thing to the player. I wonder if this house done. Oh, you finished your house. That's cute. Well, we might actually check that out at the end of the stream if you want, Cam. I think that'd be quite cute. Stone sword. So if we get rid of that and then put that attribute modifiers, we go all the way across. Then we say 1. So it does actually give us a stone sword. It does have tags, but it has no damage. That's interesting. Generic attack damage amount 12. So if we go back on this. Oh, that triggers both of them. So that's got 2 tags, and then this one here, if we do that, 1, display name. Like, this will be a big teller if it actually works. Diamond hoe, unbreakable. Okay, the display name thing doesn't work, so it probably means. But that is the knife texture. That is definitely the knife thing that I've done, but the texture's just broken. Surprise, surprise. So these are not working, at least as much as I think. Unbreakable 1, but the unbreakable tag worked, which is interesting. You can see it's there. It's actually unbreakable. I wonder what tags items can have now. I wonder if it's specific per item. What should we work on next, gamers? Should we actually try and fix this? This might be a better thing. So here we go. We've got another sign here, which is the Begin Carnage sign that we get at the beginning of the game. So I'm going to actually copy this similar sign and then just reuse the set block redstone torch. Oh, here. Interesting. Place on round end master. Oh, right. Okay. So it just plays that to everyone. So if we put that there, then we put that there. Text. So if we put a button, I wonder if we can update this to say something different. Yeah, okay, so that does work. So we can just have it say top, click event action, run command, set block, and it needs to set instead this one here to a redstone block. So the click event in this one is set block this to Minecraft redstone block. Cool. And then this instead needs to say so text 3 we don't actually need, so we can get rid of that. How much of this can we get rid of? Let's see. So everything inside these first brackets we can get rid of, like that. We can get rid of those two, and we can get rid of like that up to there, I think. And then this needs to say Begin Carnage. Nice. So if we update it. Ah, interesting. So there's something interesting that we've not seen before, is that the update thing doesn't update the whole sign. It will just update what it's been told to update. There we go. So this should set this block here to a redstone block. Yeah, it does. Okay, great. Set block. Could not set the block. Cool. So that works. Player set. At E, name equals round, type equals armor stand, round 0. So there's an armor stand somewhere with the name round slash test. Wait, what is it? Data get entity at E type name equals round. So you used to have to store stuff like, I don't know. Ooh, that sound. Yeah. So I actually import. That's another sound that I've imported into the game already, using the resource pack. Just so people know, it's using the resource pack, which is how I've got it in. Limit equals 1. Okay, here we go. So round is actually, so the way I was doing it before was using armor stands to store data. Now I don't know the way in which I can get command blocks to store data instead. I don't know whether it would be better or not to just use wholly command blocks for this, or maybe I should learn. Anyway, so that sets him to 0, and then this sets the block to air. I don't know what that is. And then that sets, so this summons the armor stands in place. Custom named empty z / kill at e name equals demp c demps demp. Ugh, I can't get the name right. I wonder how many are actually summoned at the moment. Kill at e name equals dempsey. Wait, let me just paste the name in. Dempsey z. 2 entities. Okay, so it did actually summon him. Summon new armor stand. Summon new armor stand. Summon new armor stand. And then this doesn't work, but it does work because I've got it. Dempsey. Dempsey z. Yeah, it's dumb, don't worry. So then this should be the repair block. Chain, conditional, doesn't need redstone. There we go. And then this last one, set that block to that, which I don't know what that does. I assume it's important. Test for E type equals zombie. So it's not test for it, / data, isn't it now? Get n. Zombie. God, it has to be an integer. Maximum number of entities to return. Is there a minimum number of entities to return? Is there another distance, level, limit, name, MBT, custom, score, sort, tag, team, XYZ? No. Ugh. Because okay, I've realized what it was. This before you should just test for if there was zombies around, this would activate and then this torch would turn off, was the idea. And then if there was no zombies left, this would turn off. This would turn off. The torch would turn on, and it would resummon. Area effect cloud. What is this for? Duration 120 tags. Round SFX. Interesting. Players add type is round. I'll send round 1. So that just adds the round 1, and then it will test for at entity tag equals round SFX. Age equals 119. Oh, and then you play the round intro. Tag. Unknown or incomplete command. Test for. This has changed quite a lot of things actually, because I've just realized how this used to work. So it used to say, if this entity exists, then play that sound. But we might be able to do this all in one command block now. I'm thinking. So if we actually take a repeating command block and we do, instead of this, we do / execute if entity at e tag is rounded SFX. Oh, how do I get that into there? Age. I wonder if it takes age as a tag. Age? No, it wouldn't, would it? At e age. Run. I need to work out how the age thing works now. So the tag is duration 120 seconds. Or 120 ticks maybe. Round SFX. 119. So age 119. I wonder how I can, because we've not done it with entities yet, so I'm imagining we're gonna have to check this out actually just quickly. Arguments, if entity targets execute UUID. If result matches one unless result value is 1. If block is unloaded, no. If unless entity checks whether one or more entities exist. So if entity targets entity, what if we UUID displaying the target selector? Just double check target selector again. Team equals red. Because the thing was the area effect cloud is they automatically tick. They automatically have a tick down, so you can work out how long. You don't have to give them a score. You wouldn't have to give them a score to have them be a counter, like an invisible counter, basically, that would automatically count to a certain number, and you could test for that number, and then using that number, you can. But I'm wondering whether or not they Minecraft entity official examples type equals foo. Type players or entities, the amount of entities that can be selected, single or multiple. Player 0, 1, 2, 3 IE age. Right, let me just close all these tabs. Oh my god. Using area effect cloud in 1.16. So you can create it using the age things. That still should work. Testing for area effect cloud 1.16. Help with particles of dust and area effect cloud. You can't test for an area effect cloud with specific particle effect with age. How would I pull that data out though? That's the question, right? That I'm trying to ask here. So duration 120. Is that how you do it again? Is that what that person said? Age, yeah. Different or non-existent color, default 0. too. Can't seem to see it on the thing, which is interesting and quite annoying. So we can't visually see whether it's working, but it does say that it created one just a few seconds ago. So it is working. It's summoning one. I did 1 to round, now 4. Round intro master, test 4 at a round SFX. So this is the problem. So how do we do that? Execute. So if there's one called that, execute if entity with NBT data. On an entity with NBT data. Your NBT is malformed. You start constructing with your attribute, which is compound. Compounds are marked as ... It needs 2 elements. So, okay. So you say NBT equals and then the thing. Element value. Name, generic movement speed, base 0. So this would be the NBT equals, and then we do our NBT tags, and then we say age. I assume it's the same. An attribute needs 2 elements. It's name and a base. Base 0. Name. Age. Name. Age. And then what is it? What was it that I saw? What was it that I saw? If someone puts it in chat, you win. You win the prize. Base. Name, blah, blah, blah. Base 0. So, blah. And base 0. Base 0. Run. So actually it doesn't need to be, it needs to be 119, right? Then we want this to happen basically. So run this command, run play sound. Okay, right. Should we see if that worked? So basically, what this should work if we'll be able to tell it worked. Hang on. It didn't work. Oh no, it's not a scoreboard objective, is it? Name generic movement speed. Decimal number. Name, age, comma, 0D. Would it be 0 decimals? When microphone is single, so add another one around this. If you want to check any creeper, split it up as an as and an at, like you do the second and third commands as well, so you never splice an as. Oh, interesting. So that's weird. Base 0, summon zombie. This is a really weird command that I'm looking at. That's, well, everyone can see it, obviously. This should work, though. Name. You've got your name is age. And the base should be 119. Decimals? I don't know. Is it unconditional? Always active? Yeah, it is. Okay. Entity. Get entity. Type equals area effect cloud. Lit equals 1. No entity was found. Age 104. So let's see. So it started off at age 34. So age looks like that. How do they do it in this? Following entity data, motion. Maybe it doesn't need all that crap anymore. Maybe we can just do it like that. Maybe they've actually simplified it a little bit. Maybe we could get it so that it just says, so the NBT would be something along the lines of, so we've got those there, and then it says age equals, or age 119, like that. Okay, that does actually work. Great. Okay. Right. So that works. So we don't need this command block or this one anymore. So this one can take its place. Interesting that they've actually changed it so that the MBT doesn't need to be bold fucky wookie. You can just put it in like how you expect it to be. That's nice, actually. That actually, these sort of quality of life things like actually make it so much easier to work stuff like this out. Title at all. It needs to be conditional. Clear at all of Minecraft wooden door. And then we give them M. What is M? M's not anything now. I wonder what it used to be. Oak door. The idea is that you can only get 10 repair kits every round. So it'll always get rid of your repair kits every round. So then this one is this one here. So we can just give... Oh, shit. It just endlessly gives us stuff. There we go. Nice. Okay. So if we try this again this way. It tells us round 9. It didn't give me the give at all Minecraft oak door. I wonder what it was. Given it tells me it gave it to me, but it didn't. I wonder if the clear door chain conditional always active. When did that last activate? 21 28 17. 21 28 0. Why did that activate again is the question. 21 28 17. Should we try again? So the rounds are going up actually, so that's a good start. It means that something's going right. So then the idea is that we can summon on the armor stands that are plonked around the map eventually. Like these guys here, they'll eventually be like spawning places for zombies. This is the reset, wasn't it? Excuse me. Excuse them. Clear out all Minecraft outdoor. 2129, 2129, 13. Then this activated at 2129, 13. And this activated at 2128. Okay. How did that activate before the other one? Give that all. That's it. I've got 10 here. So if we do that again. We've got 1. So it gave me 10 that time. Oh, I've literally just realised what it is. It's because this one wasn't activating. Oh. So the idea was... I wonder if we could... Because the idea... Oh, so that would only work if you always had one in your inventory. So maybe it has to give you it first. Give you one first, then clear, then give it back to you. Do you see what I mean? Do you see what I mean? Hang on. So it has to give you one. So it would go that. And then it would go that. Wait, that? I wonder if we can... Do they only work one way? I think it would activate if we had one like here, let's say. So we could have one here and here. So and on that at the same time. So first we clear. So is that one? No. That one's not working anyway. Conditional. Then that one clear. Which one needs to activate first? That one is lower on the Y, so this one will activate first. So no, we want the other one. We want this one to activate, and then we want this one. Whoa, to activate. I don't know if this works. Gave us 10, but it didn't clear us. So what it needs to do, it needs to give us 1, clear us, and then give us 10. This is so dumb. Oh, please stop. Okay, so new plan. So that triggers the audio, and then it goes to this one, and it gave us 10. Okay. That's such a dumb workaround, but it actually does work, so I'm not going to complain. There we go. Clap. Good job, everyone. We've done it. The round counter's working again. Well, not totally. Ideally, we want to test for if there's no... So we need some way for the round end to activate. See, data get at e type equals that. Wait, data get entity at e type equals zombie. More than one at position 0. Limit equals. Nope, that's minus. Equals 1. Always active. So is there a zombie? No. Let's see. If we get a zombie, does it output? Path. Data get entity at e type. What does it want me to do with this? That's the question. It needs to know what to get, doesn't it? Status alive. Status existing. trying to think what we could do instead. Slash teleport. TP. Man, come on now. Slash tag. Evil Waffles add list. Evil Waffles has no tags. What? What is this? We can't do limit equals 0, so spectate, spread players, stop sound, summon, tag, team. I need something that will test world border. XP, weather. What the hell is W? Weather maybe? It's just like shortened weather. Testing for if there's no zombie. How would I do that? Zombie is equal to 0. Maybe we need to make so maybe we need to make a scoreboard. So scoreboard objectives add zombie type. Wait, so it'd be dummy, I suppose. So added zombie. Okay, so clap. If wait. Name equals zombie. Type equals armor stand. Zombie. Zombie. Zombie 1. Oh no, it needs to be based on how many zombies there are though. Let me think. Let me think. Let me think. What could we do? How can we tag zombies? How can we? I bet there's a way. I bet there's a way using execute. If score matches testing for amount of entities 1.16. We're cheating, everyone. Test 4 doesn't exist. How to count players and mobs in Minecraft. Detect player. Distance is circular. Execute if at all. Runs when playing 10 meters. You can also use execute position to in 10 meters. As long as it's a low chunk. Execute position 66 if entity at 1. Distance equal 1. Count. We need a counter. Here we go. Entity count. Oh, exclamation mark. So Scoreboard players test count and set to 0. Scoreboard players test doesn't exist anymore though, does it? Scoreboard players test. No. Scoreboard players. There's operation list enable. At all. This doesn't say what 50 active 15 days ago. Asked 1 month ago. Execute if. Zombie. I wonder how does he finish that command off? Entity count. So this person's creating an entity count thing, which is what I was thinking of doing. But the entity count is not very nuanced, is it? One, you killed them all. Place the block wherever you need it, as your own numbers. So we could just set it to score players add count entity count 1. Sum of numbers counted now reaches a range of 0. Range of 0 to 0. Test count. Execute scoreboard players add count. So this guy is what he's suggesting is wait, how is he scoreboard play? So this is kind of not very it's not quite as nuanced as I'd like it to be. Spawn timer. Oh, hang on a sec. This is oh, this is the spawn timer thing that I came up with. This is actually really clever. This is actually a really clever idea that you can automatically you can easily change this later on when you need to. Oh, this is zombies start with slowness and then they slowly get quicker, right? Trude. No, it just needs to be true. But this is obviously all wrong. and does not work. Okay, so the idea is so that we go. So we should probably remove that last one. So scoreboard objectives, remove zombie. So we want to add zombie count dummy. So where the hell do I want to put this? That's the question, because this is like sort of the game mechanics here. This is like the game mechanics area, so I think it makes sense being here. But I don't want everything to be like too cramped because it's already pretty close. I'm tempted to move this over to here because I think this is just a reset basically. Yeah, it's basically a reset. So I might move this over a little bit. For now, I'm gonna just pop it here, I think, because I'm lazy. So execute if entity AE type equals zombie run. So if entity AE type equals zombie is just existing, then run set scoreboard players zombie count players at set at entity, which is going to be an armor stand called zombie count, right? Entity name name equals zombie count, type equals armor stand. Also, I don't know, I've not mentioned this, but if there's anyone watching that's not like seen my stuff before and you like this kind of stuff, give me a follow. give me a cheeky follow, or even check out my YouTube. I used to do this kind of stuff back in the day. So I've got loads of command block things if you want to check those out. Though I wasn't very good back in the day, so you'll have to forgive me. But zombie count, so you have to forgive me. But yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, go check that out because I did all kinds of it back in the day. And then this is obviously my new age stuff. Sorry, I'm getting tired. I've been streaming for like nearly 2.5 hours. I've been doing typing for nearly 2.5 hours. It's very exciting. Very, very exciting. Same zombie count 1. Always active. Doesn't like it. I wonder if we need to summon a armor stand. Oh, my game's just lagging. Summon armor stand here. Position NBT. Wait, position NBT. Name. Okay, no. How about this? Name equals zombie count. So if we do, if we do data, maybe we can actually see whether or not that's worked. Data get entity AE type equals armor stand. Limit equals 1. Boop. Text, custom name, box location. Box location has the following entity data. Custom name. So maybe it needs to be custom name. Is the thing? Is the tag? So let's try summon him again. How is that spelled? Is it like custom name zombie count? I wonder if we get rid of custom name zombie count. No. Something finding box location. Sorry. He doesn't have any MBT. Name. Wait, hang on. Zombie. No. Village? I don't know. I'm trying to think of something we can summon. Cow. Custom name zombie count, right? Get out of here, cow. There'll be some fuckery that they've changed that I don't know about. Summoning armor standard name. There we go. We'll check this out. Summon command. It's now in JSON text components. Under MBT, it has an example. Wait, hold up. MBT. MBT. Summon. How many types of summon did we get? Does this not come out? Oh, this is execute. Ugh. Where's my thing, boy? Summon. Name tag. Specifies the name of the entity, single word or a quoted string. Bedrock edition. Java edition. Wait, hold up. NBT. Custom name. So the custom name goes like that, and then it's inside text. So custom name. That and then that. Okay, cool. Right, so it would be like this. So we got this bit right, but then this needs to be inside one of these boys, and then inside one of these boys, and then close with one of those boys, and then close with one of those boys, and then we go summon. Summon you cow. Oh god. Oh, fuck off. I was hoping to drop him down the hole, but he had other ideas apparently. Oh, cow. Just get out of here, man. Oh my god, you're so annoying. Sword. Please, cow. There we go. So let's see. Does that work? /data get entity at e type equals cow. This is surreal. This is surreal, man. Cow. Minecraft cow. Limit equals 1. Does he have a custom name? Now that is the question. Whoa. Oh, he just stood on the thing. It doesn't say that he has a custom name. That's interesting. But I don't know if they can have custom names. Oh no, they should be able to have a custom name. Maybe it's maybe it's got a different thing for that. Must stand. type equals box location. It's still only finding box location. Distance equals 10. Oh, I accidentally put another thing. No entity was found. Does it need to have a XYZ? X equals, I don't know. Okay, we can do it like this actually. So slash TP at E name equals what did I name him? Zombie count. Blah blah blah, and then we'll go 1. And then if this works, that means he's actually does have the custom name. No entity was found. Okay, so that's not working either. Cool. Custom name is JSON text compound. Oh my god. Why is it so AIDS, man? Why is it so bad? Who did this? Named Dolphin. Oh, it's Bedrock. Summon villager, offers recipes, blah blah blah. At the current position named Powered Creeper. Powered Creeper. Custom name. Powered Creeper. I don't understand how it is. I wonder if maybe if we take that command, we'll find out whether or not it is actually working. I think that's the trick, right? Classic trick to see if not Planet Minecraft, whatever the fuck that web page is called is working is copy the commands in and just have a little see. So TP at E. Oh, you shitbag. Bloody cow, man. Slash TP at E name equals powered creeper. Oh, look at that. That's already interesting. No entity was found. I bet they've changed the way that it works. Data get at E type equals entity type creeper equals 1. Yeah, look at this. So he doesn't actually have a doesn't have anything that tells him that he's a summon command 1.16. We don't have an option, gamers. We've got to look it up. Oh, my back is actually killing me. I might have to stop real soon. How to summon a cow in Minecraft. How to use /summon. This is great, guys. Data tag. Custom name Edward. Does it say how long ago? This was 7 years ago. Oh my god. List of all data tags. Name. A block name. Structure name. References. Structure name. No. Name. No. That's not what we want. Name. This is all just says name, and it's for not that entity format. Here we go. Custom name. The custom name JSON text component of this entity appears in the player's death message and villa trade interface as well above the entity when the player's cursor is over it. May be empty or not exist. Custom name visible, 1 or 0, true or false. It does not, may not exist. Custom name visible. So this is what we want, really. Custom name visible. Custom name, then custom name visible. So we'll summon another cow. How about that? Because that's so this is the last thing we're gonna do. We're gonna work out like summoning. I have an armor stand now. Wow, I'm so proud of you. I've been trying to summon one for the past half an hour. Minecraft cow. And that's not me being salty, I promise. Custom name. So it's inside these, and it would be cow. I don't know. And then what was it? Custom name visible? Was that the custom name visible? 1 or 0? Custom name visible 1. Oh my god, wait, whoa, hang on a second. That just fucking worked. Why is this not working? Hello? So hold up. Minecraft armor stand. Armor stand. What? Okay, it probably wasn't a good idea to call the fucking cow, was it? Call it like beans or something. No, okay, hang on a second. So the custom name's not updating, but the thing is, why? Why? I don't think custom name is the same anymore. Or at least the way it works. Let's see, how does it do it in here? So it's that, and then it's text. So maybe we have to do text and then so text and then say what the text is going to be. Custom name, so it'd be text beans and custom name visible 1. Oh my god, massive lag spike. Beans. Oh my god, it works. Salt as fuck. Yeah. Well, look, I finally managed to get it to work. I've literally just realized what I've done wrong. Oh, this whole time. Okay, so you need to have the fact that it's text now, right? Because it's in JSON format. So does that mean we can actually change the color of it technically? So we could go like color red. Would that work? Oh my god, this is actually pretty big. I didn't know you could custom color name tags. That's interesting. That's really cool. So this guy is called zombie count. So wait, hang on. Do you know what might actually be really useful for a bit? Slash data modify entity at e type equals armor stand. Only one entity is allowed. Limit equals 1. Then do we put our custom name visible 1. What have I done wrong? Custom name visible 1. Unknown or incomplete command. Interesting. I bet there's a way to change that so I can just see all the names. So zombie count does actually have custom name visible, and then maybe 0. Oh, see below for error. Limit equals 1. Okay. Right. Well, anyway, so this actually does work. So we can actually... So does this work is the question. Slash scoreboard, objectives, set display, sidebar, zombie count. 1? No. Zombie count. Okay. And then we summon a zombie. So if zombie, then run this. Huh. He spawned with armor. That's really interesting. I wonder if that's random. Zombie count 1. Run. So if there's that, run set, i.e. name equals zombie count, type equals Minecraft armor stand, zombie count 1. SQ if entity Minecraft zombie. So if they detect a zombie, then it should update, right? I think 2206. Yeah, it's updating. So there's something wrong with the command somewhere. Zombie count. It's all one word, isn't it? Zombie count 1. Run scoreboard players set at NC Minecraft arms and zombie count 1. I think I need to think about this a little bit more. But I think we've made good progress today. Actually, we've actually managed to get like some really important commands for the game actually working again. So if we want to like just have a quick recap before we end today, baby. The quick recap. So we fixed our well, where did we start? Actually, that's probably better. We've started with the points. The point system works again. It didn't work for a little bit. So this reworks again. So every time we hit a zombie, we now get points for it, which you can see on the sidebar. Points. Boop, there we go. So there's our points. And every time we hit a zombie, we should get 10 points, if my calculations are correct. Sword. Oh, netherite sword, hell yeah. Is it actually much better? Oh, like 1 better. There you go, you can see the score on the sidebar going up. So I didn't actually kill that zombie because he died from the he died from the environment effects, so so that works. So our point system works again. We didn't do the weapon logic because that's something else. We fixed the clear debris, so this works now. You've done good. Thank you. I appreciate that, Cam. So this actually works now. So if we don't have enough points, when we right-click the sign, it will automatically tell us, oh, we don't have enough points for that. But when we do have enough points, which I'm going to go and demonstrate now. So if we clone this, because I don't think there's one there at the moment. If we clone that back there, and then, oh, I'm just like lagging out. That's fine. If we come up here and then we've got not enough points, so we can right click this side, don't have enough points, and that's setting that block back in spawn back to that redstone block so that it can start the commands. But if we set, so if we scoreboard players add evil wolf, or even better, just do set evil wolflers. Points 1,500. Well, got 1,500. It tells us it costs 1,500 points. We can right click the sign, and then it resets it with this new. We can enter into the next area, and this is going to be the same for all this. So this, for example, this here, this is going to have the same thing. Let's see where else. This here is probably going to have the same thing. Some of these might be linked in some fashion. Oh, I'm getting some really big lag spikes, but I think it's because I've been using my computer all day. I've been editing on my PC all day, so it's probably like, it's like, please. It's begging for its life. Oh, this is the random box. Oh my god. Yeah, that's not finished yet. Here, example, is another one. This needs to be able to be cleared from 2 places, actually. But that it's easy, because here's the thing. Once we've set the commands, so sick. Thank you, Dylan. I'm glad you appreciate that. We also set up our repairing for doors. So players get repair kits, and they can repair the doors by right-clicking them on this thing, and then you get points for doing that, which is very cool. So yeah, that's the map in general. A lot more detail needs to be added, and I'll probably do a building thing on it at some other point. I want to get the logic behind the game working first before I carry on with the general design of everything. This works, and we'll just do one more demonstration of the round increasing. So once the round has ended, hopefully we've got to find a way to make it work, but ideally this is going to happen. There we go. Oh, for some reason one of our entities actually died. So that's what tag round SFX. Is that the area cloud by any chance? Yeah, it is. But test 4 doesn't exist, so we can do data. Right, that's fine. That's something for another day. Add round 1. Name equals round, type equals armor stand. So we're doing... where's the thing? Custom name text is round. Like that. Custom name visible. We don't want, I don't think. So we don't want it from here, actually. So he's there. So technically, so let's try that again. It should technically work. It should say round 1. Yeah, there you go. Okay. And then this works for every single round. So if I do it again, so let's say we finished. I found a bunch of mushrooms. Nice. Good job, Cam. Yeah, so it goes up around. And that will happen every time all the zombies have been killed on the map up there. So every time they're all dead, this will trigger, the audio cue will trigger, and then it will do a load of command block stuff to reset the round and then restart summoning zombies using this thing here. This command chain here, which maybe shouldn't, which I've got another idea with how we can make that work better with the situation we have. So yeah, generally it's actually going pretty well, and we actually have made a really good start fixing up everything. So I just want to quickly show off one of the custom models that I actually made for the game, which is this thing. I actually don't know what this is. It's a carrot on a stick. This is the levitate gun, which is like the wonder weapon. Yeah, it looks very Minecrafty, but yeah, the idea is that this is like a levitation gun. So when you go near zombies, and you right click, it shoots them all into the air, into the air, and then they all drop to the ground again. And it's supposed to be like a fun little Easter egg type thing. But yeah, I made that model, I animated that model, blah blah blah. Same with all the other stuff as well. So for example, the gun, I animated, but these are all broken at the moment. I will fix them. Baseball bat, Spike's baseball bat, which texture is broken, and a knuckle duster. So yeah, I haven't shown you those yet, but those are what I have actually made so far. Oh, and they actually do, some of them actually are fixed, which is interesting. Oh man, that looks super sick. Yeah, thank you. I don't know why this is the only one with the texture that still works. Maybe I updated it or something. But yeah, there you go. levitation gun. It's actually when it works, it's really fucking cool. But like we didn't get around to fixing that today. Use lev gun, yeah. So we just need to fix that again because I think that score actually got deleted. If we just double check, so if we go scoreboard, objectives list, I got points. Bouncing Betty trigger, zombie count, round, hit zombie, box location, open box, and kill zombie. And yeah, that's not on there. So I'm not surprised it doesn't work. Bouncing Betty trigger, that's actually really cool. The Bouncing Bettys are really good as well. You'll like those when you get to eventually see them. Let's just get rid of all this crap because this is unfinished. Lol. Yeah, there you go. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I appreciate everything. Tune in next week. I might do this again. The reception on this has been interesting. We have had like quite a few people tune in, and there's quite a few people that have actually stuck around to the end. So for that, I really appreciate you actually. To all those gamers that stuck around to the end that want to actually see this project like get finished. We can do that. You know, we can actually do this project. We can actually fix it. Oh look, I'm wearing the same wearing the same shirt as my guy. How cool. Let me just take my hat off. But yeah, so I really appreciate everyone coming along and joining. Go watch something else, or go to bed. I don't know. Do something good with your time. Okay? Appreciate you all very much. I can't like do both of them at the same time. I'm trying to like talk with my character. I don't need to though because I'm here. Hello. Me and my character waving. Cute. Love. Normal stream on Thursday, 7:30 p.m. GMT, baby. Come down whenever you're hanging. If you're around. Gonna carry on MC. Cute. I might join you in a bit, Cam. I'll see what's going on though. I might need to just go to bed. Oh well. Yeah. Tune in next week, 7:30 p.m. GMT. I'm gonna be playing Pokemon. Not next week. Further. This week, Thursday, 7:30, I'll be playing Pokemon again. I hope. If not, I'll be doing Minecraft. And if not, I'll be doing Animal Crossing. Most likely Pokemon. Peace. Love. Bye. Go do something. Maybe follow me. YouTube.com/evilwafflers. Twitch.tv/evilwafflers. Yeah. Love.